Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the heart of Trello's functionality. That's right, it's all about mastering the drag and drop feature. Let's start with creating a card. Navigate to the desired board and click on Add Another Card. Type in your task or idea, then hit Enter. Creating cards helps us to keep track of tasks or ideas and their progress. Now that we've done that, it's time to move the card. To do this, left-click on the card and hold, then drag it to the desired list and release. This is the basic drag and drop feature, allowing you to change a card's position or status with ease. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you drag and drop a card, Trello automatically saves your changes. This instant save feature allows real-time updates for teams, ensuring everyone is on the same page. The reason we do this is to facilitate task management. Moving cards between lists can represent task progress from to do, to doing, to done. It's simple, visual, and intuitive, perfect for agile project management. Next up, let's talk about moving multiple cards at once. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the list, then select Move All Cards in this list. Choose the destination list, and voila! This helps us because, in larger projects, you may need to move bunches of cards at once. Let me explain why this matters. Trello's drag and drop feature is not just about moving individual cards. It's about flexibly managing your workflow as situations change. Now, onto copying or duplicating a card. Find the card you want to copy, click on it to open it, then select Copy from the right-hand menu. Choose the new destination list from the drop-down menu and hit Create Card. Copying cards can be a time saver when you have similar tasks or need templates. Before we wrap up, let's look at one more function, moving lists. Just like cards, you can drag and drop entire lists. Click and hold the list, then drag it left or right and release. This helps us organize our board structure according to our preference or priority. All right, that's a wrap on Trello's drag and drop feature. Remember, it's all about organizing and managing tasks in a way that's easy to understand and manipulate. Keep practicing and you'll be a Trello pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.